We're out here today at SeaWorld San Antonio to check out the new show Splash and to see the Hydropower show. For one reason or another, I've not been able to make it out the past couple of years. I don't know what happened. I just never made it out. I'm gonna have to wake that little one up. Let's go inside and see what we can see.
I need to upgrade my pass next year and get some of this covered parking. Ooh, they got the new 60th anniversary sign. My first time seeing it. Hey, that looks so cool. Oh, hey, you awake now? Yeah, a little bit. Oh my gosh, that thing's massive. I hope they leave like most of this up. Look at that, SeaWorld's got a sign. It says Dad right out there. That is really cool. I did not expect that. Oh, looks like we just caught it as it's starting. That was a pretty good show. I actually really liked that. We're just over here at what used to be Rosita's Cafe. It's now Las Tortugas Taqueria. Ooh. If you remember and you ever visited Rosita's, you know that this looks completely different from what they used to have now, but it is now a Mexican food cafe, as you can see here, but very air conditioned, feels really nice, and everything looks so much better. The music is really loud over here, but yeah, there's a couple. And some of the Aldabra tortoise. Looks like there's just ducks swimming in the habitat right now. I think they're inside getting away from the heat. Oh, there you go. You can see those guys in there. They're all kind of just like tuckered out. I got one that's like awake, sort of moving around in there. It's kind of interesting. They got them separated right there. I wonder what that's for.
Oh.
It's actually not too busy out, and I suspect that a lot of people are at the water park, if anything. Stop by at the new Steel Eel refill station, powered by Coca-Cola right there. We just got a refill. We got Powerade. Here in the Bay of Play, we just got off Abby Cadabby's ride right there. I just wanted to take a look and a peek over at what the playground looks like currently. And it is all overgrown, as you can see right there. That is crazy. Just to think that a little over a year ago, we were in there playing around. That is so nuts. The rumor is that a new ride is going to be coming here, replacing this area. It would be nice because currently it's a little bit of an eyesore. I'm sure that SeaWorld doesn't want it to be like this, but all in good time. Into the Bayside Stadium, into the Hydropower show here. It's gonna be my first time into the stadium and it must be like 10 years. Here we are, heading right up near the front, get some of the best seats. It's crazy, it's been like, I haven't seen this show in the like 2.5 years that I had started coming regularly. And so the last time I had seen a show over here was when they had their original ski show back in the day. So it's been quite a bit for me to be back here. This is cool. Yeah, I got a stage there on the left, stage over there on the right, and even got a stage here in the middle. And then I imagine the whole Hydropower show is gonna be going on right here in the middle. I've intentionally not watched any videos of the Hydropower show, so I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Past 35 years, we have featured some wicked water skiing out of this lake. We got a big team out there.
got to see Hydropower for the first time. I don't know what happened or why I wasn't able to come see it over the last 2.5 years that I've steadily had a season pass. I've been coming to SeaWorld for I don't know how long. I've been coming for years. Hey, that new show Splash, that was awesome. I really like the Splash feature, I guess hence the name. Short day, we came later, we showed up around 6 o'clock, going back and seeing the show again, so you might see early on in the video I have 2 different angles filming from the show, so that's how I did that. I don't have a second camera person. I don't have the budget for that. Maybe one day, who knows. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, but with that being said,
Look at this.